Today we're diving into the world of foldables, but not just any foldable. Meet the Honor Magic V5, the world's lightest and thinnest large foldable flagship that's got everything you could want in a foldable and more. At first glance, the design feels familiar, but there's something special about it. The Magic V5 stays true to its roots with that signature rectangular camera module, giving it that stable, classy suit and tie vibe. Ours is in warm white with a matte finish that resists fingerprints. It stays neat no matter how many times you hold it, fold it. It's only 8.8 millimeters thick. Unfolded, it's a jaw-dropping 4 millimeters thin. And weighing in at just 217 grams, it's lighter than most flagship devices. But don't let that fool you. It's solid. The frame uses Honor's Resource 7 series aluminum and next-gen aerospace fibers, giving it strength without the bulk. Let's talk about the hinge. It's got Honor's Luban shock-absorbent tech, making it feel smooth and natural when you open and close the phone. No flimsy folding here. And the crease? It's barely noticeable. Pretty impressive for a large foldable. Now, for the real power. Under the hood, you've got the Snapdragon 8 Ultimate Edition, paired with LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.1 storage. This is top-tier, flagship-level performance. Whether you're multitasking, running apps, or streaming videos, it runs like a beast. Makes the Magic V5 stand out is its evolution into a mobile office tool. Imagine working on a keynote video on a business trip or editing an Excel file on the subway, all without a computer. And with Honor's Super Workspace, you can seamlessly transfer files between Android, Apple, and Windows devices. It's cross-device magic. The AI here is a game changer. Honor UA isn't just about voice commands. It's a full-on task assistant. Need to turn a 10,000-word article into a PPT in minutes? Done. Want to remove distracting power lines from a photo? Done. It's all about saving you time and making multitasking effortless. Battery life? It's got a 6,100 milliamp hours battery with fast charging support. 6 West wired and 50 West wireless charging means you won't be stuck waiting for a charge. Plus, the display features LTPO dynamic refresh rates, ensuring smooth visuals with no eye strain, even during those long browsing sessions. On the camera front, the Magic V5 doesn't disappoint. With a 6.4 MP front camera and dual 50 MP lenses. For the main and ultra-wide shots, the photo quality is amazing, easily beating competitors in the foldable space. Add in Honor's satellite messaging and 5G support across multiple bands, and you're good to go, no matter where you are. So, what's the verdict? The Honor Magic V5 is the complete foldable package. Lightweight, powerful, and equipped with all the AI and mobile office tools you'll need. It's a game changer in the foldable space. It balances portability and functionality like no other. If you're in the market for a foldable that doesn't compromise, this is it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one.